Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with Google Sheets and wondering why the numbers aren't updating the way you expect, you're in the right place. Today we're going to take a close look at how to refresh formulas in Google Sheets so your data always stays accurate and up to date. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control when your formulas recalculate, which can save you a ton of time and head scratching in the future. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Google Sheet, the one where you need those formulas to refresh properly. Once that's open, look up to the top menu bar and click on File. It's over on the left, right next to Edit and View. Give that a click. Now, this next part can be easy to miss. After you click, scroll down through the drop-down menu until you see Settings near the bottom. Go ahead and select that. Sometimes people overlook this step or end up opening the wrong settings, but we're looking for the file-specific settings, not the app-wide ones. Once you're in the Settings panel, you'll see a few tabs. What we want is the Calculation tab. It might sound a little technical, but trust me, this tab is where all the magic happens in terms of how your sheet recalculates formulas and updates your numbers. Go ahead and click on Calculation. If you're not there yet, just make sure it's selected so you see the recalculation options. Now here, where you'll see the key feature, under Recalculation, you'll notice a drop-down menu with a few different options. The choices are on change in every minute, and on change in every hour. So what do these mean and which should you pick? Let's break them down to make sure you're choosing what works best for you. If you select on change, Google Sheets will only update your formulas whenever something in your sheet actually changes. So if you type in new data or edit a cell, the formulas will refresh automatically. This option is great if your data isn't tied to live feeds or external links and you want to conserve processing power. If you go with on change in every minute, now your formulas will recalculate with every edit asterisk in every single minute, even if you don't touch anything. This is super handy for live dashboards or financial sheets that pull in changing stock prices, for example. Just be aware that recalculating every minute can use more resources, so don't worry if things take an extra second to update. The third option, on change in every hour, is just like the last one, but a little less frequent. It's perfect for those situations where you want your sheet to stay somewhat up to date, but you don't need minute-by-minute accuracy. Think of it like a clock that checks in every hour instead of every minute. Once you've thought about how you use your sheet and picked the recalculation setting that makes the most sense, don't forget to click Save Settings at the bottom. This might seem obvious, but it's a step that's easy to overlook. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes the changes take a moment to apply, especially on larger sheets. And that's it. Your formulas should now refresh exactly how you want them to. If you ever need to adjust your settings, just come back and repeat these steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.